For you to download YouTube videos, you might want to go to YouTube like I've done here. Then navigate to the video that you want to download. Let's say that we want to download this video right here. You will see all options listed below this video. You can also swipe left or right for more options. And if you swipe more over to the right, you'll see an option that looks like forward arrow. Go ahead and tap onto that option right there. A list of 3 to 4 options will be popping up. Tap onto an option that says copy link. Then copy link of that specific video to your clipboard. Tap on copy link here. And then close YouTube. Then navigate to Chrome browser. It might be Google or any browser of your choice. In my case, I will be using Chrome. Then tap onto Chrome application right here. Once here, I want you to type YT1 downloader like that, and then press go. Then select this website that says YT1S. So tap onto this option right here. What this website does, it will automatically download any pasted link to any YouTube video. So what I'm going to do is to paste in the previous link we copied from YouTube into this search or paste YouTube link here. So I will try to paste in the link from my clipboard. It will be displayed here. I will tap on this link here. Then it will be able to be pasted into the link here. So what this website has done, it has displayed all the video detailed information right here. So what I'm going to do is to download the video from the link we've got from YouTube. So what I'm going to do is to tap onto the MP4 option here, and then for the sake of this tutorial, I will just go with the 144p. You can also download into 4K. You can also download into 2K HD, whatever you like. So I will go for the 144p. Go ahead and tap on to download now, and your video will be saved directly into your phone storage. Go ahead and tap on to download now. So our video has been able to be downloaded. So I will tap on to play. So for the sake of the copyright, I won't be able to play this video, but this is how you download YouTube videos into your phone storage for offline viewing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.